Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. So today I want to show you how you can leverage our AI search feature to find assets without having to browse the web. So in Kosmik, as you've seen in other tutorials, when you click on an item, you have that tag button and you see that we've added a description and tags to the item. So since we do this, we've now created a new feature which we call AI search, which appears for any sticker that has been tagged and described. So text, images, PDF, and even videos. And so when you click on an item and you click on search, you can ask Kosmik to find images that are in the same style, find links about that item, or even find videos about that item. So here what I want to do is create a mood board very easily with images in the same style. So I'm going to click on find related images. After a few seconds, Kosmik shows me a stack of images. I can click to put them one by one on the canvas, or I can press Option to put them all on the canvas. So what's really nice about that feature is that when I select one of those pictures that were found by Kosmik, I can see their sources. And so I can just click on the backlink to open them in the browser that we have in Kosmik. That's super, super handy. Now we can do something else, which is that we can create a text. So for example, here I want Macintosh ads from the 80s. And now we can ask Kosmik to browse the web for us, or again, find images about that topic. So we're going to do both and we'll see what happens. And we're even going to find videos. So here, let's see what comes up for videos, for images. Okay, so we have Apple ads from the 80s about the Macintosh. Now, what we can do is we can select that text again and ask Kosmik to browse the web for us. Kosmik found links about the Macintosh from the 80s, the introduction, the ad. It even directly fetched a video from YouTube. And so the last feature I want to show you is select the text, click on search, and click on find videos about this. And here Kosmik goes on YouTube for you and find videos that will match the search term. And you see we have a collection of videos about the Macintosh and the early ads from the 80s when the Mac was introduced. So it's very easy in a few seconds to find 15, 20 assets to get started on a project, or to get more information about something, to get a description, to find an explanation for something. So this is how you can find assets with AI in Kosmik. Thank you and see you very soon.